Hey, welcome, and thanks for being here. If you're watching this, your organization has made a real investment in AI, and now comes the part that actually matters, making it work for your team, in your environment, on your real tickets. That's exactly what this series is about, is a bite-sized video series designed to take you from first login to full adoption, step by step, no jargon, no fluff. This playbook is designed to guide you through the successful adoption of this powerful tool, helping you understand its capabilities and how to integrate it effectively into your operations. Before we dive into the details, please note this presentation contains forward-looking statements. These are based on our current beliefs and assumptions, and actual results may differ. We kindly ask that you do not make any purchasing decisions based solely on the information presented today, as product development and feature timing remain at our discretion. This information is for informational purposes only and does not constitute a commitment. Let's explore the core of Now Assist for ITSM. We'll clarify exactly what this solution is and delve into its key functionalities. A crucial aspect we'll address is the framing around whether it replaces or augments existing processes, helping both agents and skeptical stakeholders understand its value and get comfortable with its integration into their daily workflows. You'll start with the foundations, what Now Assist actually is, how it is licensed, and what your agents will see from day one. Then we go deeper. Virtual agent, AI search, admin configuration, agentic workflows, and finally, how to measure whether it's all working. Each video is short. Most are under 8 minutes. You can watch them in order or jump straight to what you need. So let us start by understanding what is Now Assist for ITSM. Now Assist is generative AI built into ServiceNow. Now Assist is ServiceNow's generative AI layer, built natively into the platform, not bolted on top. That means it works with the data already in your instance. It understands your incidents, your knowledge articles, your change records, and uses that context to help agents and admins work faster and more consistently. It brings generative AI directly into the ServiceNow workflows your team uses every day. At its core, Now Assist does 3 things. It summarizes context so agents don't have to read through long threads. It suggests resolutions based on similar past incidents. And it generates content, like closure notes or knowledge articles, so your team isn't starting from a blank page. A common question we get is this replacing something my team does today? The honest answer is, it handles the repetitive, time-consuming parts, like writing summaries, drafting notes, or searching for relevant knowledge. The judgment calls, escalation decisions, root cause analysis, relationship management, those stay with your team. Think of it less like an autopilot and more like a really well-prepared assistant who's already read all the relevant context before you walk in. Here's a quick look at what this looks like in practice. On an incident record, the agent sees a summarized button, 1 click, and Now Assist reads the work notes, the description, and any linked records, and produces a plain language summary. No copy-paste, no rereading a long message thread. So, to recap, Now Assist for ITSM is a generative AI layer built natively into ServiceNow. It helps fulfillers summarize, resolve, and document faster, and gives admins new AI-powered configuration capabilities. In the next video, we'll look at what's included out of the box, what requires additional licensing, and how to verify your instance is set up correctly. See you there!